guys, so let's check what's underneath the hood. See the engine performance upgrades. So right now I got a Can-N air intake. Cost me about $300. Installed it myself. Got the long tube headers by Speed Engineering. Cost me about $400, $500. Put them in myself. Got them ceramic coated before all that. Was not fun. Cost another $400, $500. Note to self, get them ceramic coated before you order them. Alright, for the rest of the exhaust, I got a custom xpipe underneath there, along with some custom Dynamax bullet mufflers and some quad tips. Alright, and I think that's gonna be, oh no, and I got a Janity tune on it. That cost me about $400, $500 for the actual tuner, and another couple $100 for the custom tune itself by Janity Racing, which I tuned myself. Alright, and that's gonna be all for the performance upgrades. And let's get into the cosmetic. So let's start it off with these color changing headlights. Alright, installed these myself. Cost me about what, like $200 to get them in, and basically you can change it on your phone to whatever color you'd like. Alright, so that's that. I got the APR racing splitter. Cost me $400. Put it on myself. Full carbon fiber. Looks real good coming down the road. Adds about 400 horsepower. Just kidding, adds about like 300 horsepower. Moving on. Got the 6.2 emblem. Just make sure they know what's good. Got the Brembo brakes with the Z28 replica wheels. Those are Brembos. They come on the SS models, and I just painted them myself. Look pretty solid, not gonna lie. Alright, moving on. I got these diode dynamic little side markers. Make the car look extra crisp. You know how it is. Gotta look crisp out there, folks. Alright. Now I put on this spoiler, I would say. It's like an add-on to the existing spoiler. I think it's called a Wicker bill. And I got that for around like $100 and put it on myself. Turned out pretty nice. Alright. And following along with that, see what else I got going on. Got some custom wrap, vinyl wrap. Alright. I got the Zl1 grille on there. Had to take the Zl1 badge off because, you know, don't want to be a noob out there looking like a Zl1 when I'm really not. Alright. Now let's check out the roof. Also carbon wrapped. And with the spoiler. Also carbon wrapped. Now let's check out the insides of the car. Oh, I got carbon fiber door handles, pretty sick, you know, adds about 20 horsepower at least. Alright. Let's turn out that annoying noise. All leather. Leather seats. Zl1 Suede Steering Wheel. Yes, it does say Zl1 on it. I cannot find a replacement badge for SS that size. I'm sorry, guys. Don't hate on me. I just like the suede steering wheel. And I added the suede shift knob. And let's see what else we got going on. Oh, and I added these paddle shifters behind it. Make it look extra. Looks nice. Alright. And those wheels, the steering wheel cost me around like $400. And the shift knob was around $100, I want to say. All installed by myself. There she is. Hope you guys like it. Leave any questions you guys got, comments in the comment section. My channel's huge, so I don't know if I can get to most of them. Alright, but I'll try. And I think that's gonna be it for all the upgrades I've done. Let me just, oh, and I have a little 10-inch sub back there. You know, just for extra bass boosting. And I think that's gonna be me wrapping up my customized Camaro 2011 SS. I'm gonna finish off with a goodbye. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there. Don't let Miss Rona get to you. I live right over there in beautiful San Clemente, California. Look at this sunset. Wow. Wow. Stay safe out there, guys. Stay quarantined.